Hello everyone. In this video we are going to look at mobile app market trends. In order to download the market trend mobile app, you have to visit Alicblue main website www.alicebonline.com. Here in this video we are going to see how to use market trends mobile app. For that you have to click on trade store. Here you can see menu provided in the top. You have to click on trade store. After clicking it, you will be redirected to this page. In the trade store, different types of user-friendly and special feature application provided by Alicblue. To download and install Market Trend mobile app, here you can see different types of mobile apps provided: Trade Action, Chart Bridge, Optimum, Market Trend, Advisory Mandi, and IQ, mutual fund, sensible, small case, ticker tap. Here you can see market trends mobile app. Pricing is rupees 450 per month. Here you have an 1 month offer free trial. You can click on free trial, try now. You will be redirected to this page. So let me tell you something about this app. Market Trend is a high accurate commodity market tips at a very reasonable price. This app provides highly accurate MCX commodity market recommendation at a very reasonable price to help us small traders and investors to make a decent money. Expert advice to our clients through this app. We have dedicated team to analyze, and we have provided reliable and valuable more tips on commodities. Our service list consists of 1 month free trial, MCX tips on our mobile app. We offer various services in the different and simplified manner so that it can suit the requirement of any traders, investors. So here to download this app, you have to click on the download app button. After that, you will be redirected to the Google Play Store. Here this app is look like something. This is this icon of market trend. To install you have to click on the install button. So let me show you in the mobile how it look likes. Already installed in my mobile, and after installation here it will show the open button. After clicking on this open button, you can find this is the dashboard of this market trend. Here I will explain you one by one how to use this mobile app. It's a very handy and very easy, simple to understand. And you can see here left hand side one menu is provided: dashboard, alert, my account, plan. Here in trading, how to trade, and here it's provided help and support. And you can log out from here in bottom also, and in the dashboard itself it's provided log out. You can see in the screen here, and one by one I will just tell you how to use this app. You can see here in the top row here, this is the first one option, notification. When you will click on the notification, you can see here client related notifications are available here, as well as the last week performance. Also you can see here a short summary provided in the notice. If you don't have the time, you can just check here, and in the bottom also you can check profit and loss of the MCS commodities, and this is what provided here in this the second option. It is given here as alerts. So you can set an alert for any of this. You can select this any of the option, and you can add here. Even you can add from here also. You can just search what you want to search. Here suppose I am just typing of gold. You can see gold mini and gold. This you can just select here in the right hand side, and you can add this in bottom, you just click on that. It's already or added. Okay, so you can just check here, gold mini is available here. So in this way you can just set a alert, so you know notification will be coming on your notice. So here third option here provided is a refer and earn. So guys, here you can refer your friend and you will get a 20-day extra service and worth of rupees 340 when your friend make the first payment after 3-day trial, and your friend will be getting a 10-day of additional service along with a 30-day as an introduction offer, form of additional subscription only, and not as a money. For example, if you refer a 10 friends and after 3 days trial, they pay for a 1 month fee for rupees 499, and you will get a 10 into 20 means 200 days of service free. So for any queries, please send a WhatsApp message to this number 9990124 and 0364. So you can share now, you can click on share now and you can share to your friends from here and you can earn. So here you another option is here in my menu provided here for the live calls. You can take a benefit of this. You can see the live calls are available here. You can see the last price changes in the right side column. Scripts also is available here, you can add. So in the next is performance. You can check the performance. The last 7-day performance is available here. The total profit also showing in the top right side. Here you can see stop loss target, two targets are showing here, and one buy options are whether it is buy or sell. You can check here in the right side. It's showing the buy or loss. You can buy or sell. He can also check the profit and loss here, and this is a very simple and showing the performance very good. You can here you can filter according to the your requirement. Suppose I am selecting gold and just searching here, so all the gold you can see here day by day the last 7 days, or you can set the date also from when to when you want to see here. So this is the performance. Here you can check, and in my account you can check your referral code as available here. You can while sharing also, this referral code will be displayed in the your sharing message. And if you talk about the plan here, you can see four types of plans are available: 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, and 1 year plan is here. And for any payment related queries, you can give a mail on this mail ID, as well as the WhatsApp number is also provided here in the bottom. I have chosen a trial version, so it will expire on 19th. So this is what the plan menu is provided here. So how to trade, if you want to see, in the instruction is provided, and as well as how to make profit using this hour call. Follow the below steps so that you can get the benefit of this. And regarding this also, you can send any WhatsApp messages, any queries if you are having. So here you can see the disclaimer is provided support. I have already shown here in this menu. In the bottom, contact number is already provided here also, and this is very simple and handy. So friends, thank you for watching this video.